Sound check, sound check. All right, everybody. Happy Friday. Give me a second. Sounds all right. Okay, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. If the stream goes down, we are going to... There is a massive storm going through our city, all right? Massive storm. I mean like end of the world. Happy Friday, happy Friday. Yeah, I'm late, I'm sorry. It was like internet was up and down, right? So yes, how are you? All good? Okay, yeah, give me a second. Sound check, everybody. Can you hear my voice, see my screen? Can you see my screen and hear my voice? Oh, try to refresh, all right? Try to refresh. Okay, happy Friday, everybody. Today we have we have stop loss and take profit in support, resistance, and pivot points, all right? I'm not going to do the usual introduction because we are running late. And again, if the stream goes down, everybody, there is a massive storm. All right, going through our city. So let us see from the manual. If you didn't receive the free manual, send me an email, all right? So we are in the module called timing and retracement trading. So we have stop loss and take profit in support, resistance. Wow, and Monday we start with Japanese candlesticks. Wow. And then we go to Fibonacci's, right? So stop loss and take profit in support, resistance, pivot points. Euro dollar is the example. Long short. Oh, so we're talking about patterns here. All right. Okay, everybody. Any currency pairs you want to check? So we can talk about where to put the stop loss, where to put the take profit. That's from the manual. And then on Monday we're going to go on trading Japanese candlesticks. Everybody, 2 weeks to go. Basically we have 1 week and a half. We are going to run the how to build a trading system that makes money, guaranteed, all right? It's going to be October 5th. 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and Dukascopy clients, Dukascopy students, you have 30% off. Okay, everybody. Charts are here. Hello, Mo, how are you? Yeah, there is a mega storm running, right? Okay, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair you want to check and the time frame. There is no right or wrong. Please don't post exotics or ask for exotics. You know, no Turkish lira, no Russian ruble. We go with the 27 currency pairs: USD JPY, USD CHF, USD CAD, NZD USD, NZD JPY, NZD CHF, NZD CAD, GBP USD, GBP NZD, GBP JPY, GBP CHF, GBP CAD, GBP AUD, Euro Dollar, Euro New Zealand, Euro Yen, Euro GBP, Euro CHF, Euro CAD, Euro AUD, CHF JPY, Canada JPY, Canada CHF, and then we are on the AUD, AUD CAD, AUD CHF, AUD JPY, AUD NZD, and AUD USD. Most says GBP USD, yes, what time frame? Everybody, let's open GBP USD. And we're going to talk about stop loss and take profit. So, hedge fund trader mode, type in the chat what time frame, and then we're going to talk about... In the meantime, I'm going to open the 4-hour chart. Give it a second. Boss, what is the best tool for me to improve? Can you be more specific? Like, what is the best tool? Heard everybody? We have a massive storm running, you know. What is the best tool? But can you be more specific? Somebody's asking, not on YouTube, but you know, so Fibonacci's we didn't learn yet, so it's out, 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 trend line. We've learned. I can extend, right, and extend the trend line. Very good. So we are here right now. Okay, everybody, what do you think? Is GBP USD on the 4-hour chart a buy, or is GBP USD on the 4-hour chart a sell? And talking about the market wave, right? It's extension, retracement, extension. On the 4-hour chart, we can chart together. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. So far, you can chart also the next extension, but it's not finished yet. Boss, how do you know? It's always the same. You are charting the change in the short-term trend. Okay? Don't judge yourself, don't get angry. It takes some time to quickly spot relevant highs and lows. Okay, relevant low. Talking about the market wave. Right? Relevant low on the 4-hour market wave. Relevant high. Relevant low. Relevant high. Relevant low, right? Moses 4-hour chart. And then we're going to zoom in. Everybody, can you do this so far? Charting is okay with you? You're first on analyst, you're not a trader yet. Is charting okay with you? Low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, but that's not a low. So far the short-term trend is up in here. So the red one is going to be the short-term trend. All right. So how are you going to make pips and money, everybody, today or next week? Moses sell. Okay. So the class starting now, everybody. Hedge fund trader Mo, why would you short something that it's clearly going up? Make sense, everybody? This is common to all analysts and traders, even advanced, the professional not. Okay? Everybody, if you're a beginner trader, pat yourself on the back. If you're an intermediate trader, pat yourself on the back. If you are an advanced trader, don't pat yourself on the back. If I'm shorting the 4-hour chart right now, am I trading what I'm seeing, or am I speculating that, oh, this market is going to go down? Pen and paper, you can write down: professional traders don't speculate. Professional traders trade from what they see. Sam says after the retracement buy, which one, the yellow or the green, Sam? Do you want to buy the market wave, or do you want to buy the green? Do you want to buy the yellow market wave, or do you want to buy the green uptrend after the retracement? Boss, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. Me and Mo shorting right now. Are we speculating? Meaning we are trading from what we think is going to happen, like this market is going to reverse or retrace, or are we trading what we are seeing on the 4-hour chart specifically? And you can write this down: professional traders don't speculate. Make sense? And the biggest issue, everybody, is the beginner trader is going to say, oh, but if I'm waiting for the market to break this low, to make a lower low, and I'm waiting for a reversal then to make a lower high, then I cannot short the market because we are almost at the relevant low on the yellow. Does this make sense? So this is the skill about perception and how to understand the market. I need to sell it now because I'm waiting for the market to confirm a lower low and then a retracement, and then I'm going to sell it in here. Then risk reward ratio, it's not good enough. How many of you are not entering trade because risk reward is not good? In the advanced course, everybody, or the Fibonacci Mastery, you are going to learn that risk reward ratio, it's not an issue anymore. Date says I'm going to buy the yellow retracement. Very good. The market with the yellow. Okay, everybody? If I short the market right now on the 4-hour chart, Mo and everybody else, if I'm short the market right now on the 4-hour chart, I am speculating. Does this make sense? And even if I make some money, you know, is this knowledge or is this luck? This is knowledge because the market is at the pivot point. The market is at the pivot point, but what about timing? Okay, everybody, I have a comment on the other platform. Somebody said, oh, this is knowledge because the market is the pivot point. Yes, the market is at the pivot point, but what about time? How do you know that this market is going to fall based on what you see? Does this make sense to everybody? So if I want to sell, what can I do? If this market is going to react and fall down, on what chart is going to be the fall visible? It's in the manual. Everybody? Boss, I don't understand. If this is the 4-hour short-term trend, on what time frame you are going to see extension and then retracement? Oh, I got it! Alright, type in the chat. See, everybody? This is the 4-hour uptrend. On what time frame? You cannot short the market on the 4-hour chart if you would not speculate. On what time frame you're going to see the change in the short-term trend? Date says hard time frame. No. What if we short from a smaller time frame? Exactly. The lower time frames. Okay? Date, you are not wrong. You get the confirmation from the higher time frame, but the changes happen first on the smaller time frames. Everybody, does this make sense? So we have a 4-hour candle which is not closed yet, but if I go from the 4-hour chart to the 15-minute chart, it's Friday, Forex. Oh, everybody, and like this. What about the 15-minute chart? Everybody, is the 15-minute chart making higher highs, higher lows, or is the 15-minute chart making lower lows, lower highs? Everybody, is the 15-minute chart making higher highs, higher lows, or it's making lower lows, lower highs? Boss, this is all the same. No, it's not. If you short the market on the... some of you are stubborn for the last 5 years, right? If I short the market on the 4-hour chart, I am speculating. Why? If you short the 4-hour chart, where you are going to put the stop loss? 30 minutes too. Day, lower low, lower high, exactly. It's making lower low, lower high, Sam, exactly. Golden nugget for you that you are studying on Friday. Congratulations, everybody. Golden nugget for you. Let me give you a present. Golden nugget for you, everybody. Every single time that you enter into a trade, but you have no stop loss because the pattern hasn't developed yet, developed yet, you are speculating on the direction. Boss, are you participating in any events? Well, yes, I do. When they invite me, we're going to have the Brazilian Congress of Traders, where I'm going to be a speaker. Why do you ask? Golden nugget, everybody. Every single time that you enter into a trade but you have no stop loss because the pattern hasn't developed yet, you are speculating on the direction of the trade. Right? Congratulations to you, everybody. You are studying on Friday. Most of people want to relax. Okay, everybody? Is this common sense to you? If I'm on the 4-hour chart and I said, oh, I want to short the market, you know, where I'm going to put the stop loss? Yeah, right, fair enough. It could be a candlestick formation, all right? Fair enough, all good. But we didn't learn yet candlestick formations. Somebody said, oh, I'm going to put the stop loss up. The smart guy, right? The smart guy said, oh, I want to... I'm joking, come on, don't get offended. Somebody said, oh, I'm going to put the stop loss above this high. Well, right, but what is the pattern? You know? Are you shorting a downtrend? No, why not? It hasn't developed yet. Are you shorting consolidation? No, why not? It hasn't developed yet. Are you shorting a Dow channel? No, why not? Are you shorting head and shoulders? No, you are not, because it hasn't developed yet. Make sense, everybody? And even for the student, I know him, you know, the smart guy. You know, even though if he would short the candlestick formations, this candle, it's not closed yet. It's still moving, you know, up and down. So, wrong timing. Date, no, it hasn't developed yet on the 4-hour chart, makes sense? But if I go on the 15-minute chart, everybody, we're going to talk more about this in the advanced course, alright? The Advanced Institutional Trader Program. Okay? Listen to the logic, alright? Fair enough? Listen to the logic, okay, everybody? Try to understand, oh, this is common sense. So you have a confirmed downtrend on the 15-minute chart. You are going to wait for a retracement if you want. You are going to enter at the counter trend line break, just an example, and you are going to lose, this is one, and at the same time somebody else is going to short the market on the 4-hour chart and is going to lose two, alright? Now let's say that Mo is shorting the market on the 15-minute chart and lost, and let's say that the day, just an example, they don't get offended, let's say that they shorted the market on the 4-hour chart and lost, okay? Market reversed and went up and lost. I'm going to call Mo in the office first, and I'm going to say to him, I'm going to yell at him, I'm going to say, Mo, why did you short the market here? How is Mo going to defend himself? How would you defend yourself if I'm calling you into the office and I'm asking you, why did you enter this trade? Why did you short the 15-minute chart? What is the answer? How would you defend yourself? The student traders that are online are quiet. How would you defend yourself? Think a little bit. You shorted the market on the 15-minute chart, counter trend line break, and you lost, and the manager is testing you and it's yelling, you know, why did you do that? What's the answer? How are you going to defend yourself? Mo? Everybody help everybody Mo out. What's the answer? Why did I short the 15-minute chart? Because so if the manager yells at me and I am Mo and I say, well, manager, freaking manager, I shorted the market because the market on the 15-minute chart, GBP USD, reacted to the pivot point area, confirmed a downtrend and made a lower low and broke the counter trend line. If this is my answer, what is the manager going to tell me, or what can he or she tell me? Is the manager going to say, well, all right? If this is my defense in front of a manager, I shorted the market at the pivot point area with the clear downtrend and counter trend line break, can the manager attack me again verbally? Yes or no? And if, who was the example? Sam, right? And now I'm going to say to Mo, all right, get out, all good. Now, poor Sam. Now Sam comes along. Sam shorted the 4-hour chart and he lost. And I'm asking and I'm yelling to Sam again with the same story. Why did you short the market on the 4-hour chart? What is Sam's defense? What is Sam's defense, everybody? Sam cannot defend himself, can he? See everybody, every single time that you are trading from what you are seeing, you are able to defend. Yeah, that's a trick from the advanced course. You know, when you have pit bulls, you know, so if you are trading what you are seeing, and if there is a pattern and you are not speculating, you know, and if you have a losing trade on the pattern that's developed and you have a stop loss, then this loser from the manager standpoint, it's all right, nothing wrong. Does this make sense? But if you do, in manager's opinion, if you do stupid things, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're doing stupid things, meaning you are speculating, you are shorting the market because you think that this market is going to fall, then the manager is going to say to you, first warning, beginner analyst, first warning, beginner trader, don't speculate. Second warning in an institution, dear trader. Third warning, you are, what's the word? You are what's the word? You are fired. Make sense, everybody? Institutional trader's life, if you speculate and win, it's still alright, but if you speculate and lose, God help you. Makes sense? May God help you with the manager. If you speculate and lose, they're going to tear you apart, I'm telling you. Why? Because this is serious business. There is real money on the line. What do you think? Everybody type in the chat, does this conversation make sense to you? Student traders on YouTube, Dukascope Academy, YouTube, please. Does this conversation make sense? Mo says, I feel you, I'm exactly in your office and I'm being yelled at. Everybody, that's a skill, alright? That's this one, this golden nugget, it's a learnable skill. Okay? And in the advanced course, you are going to learn one of the institutional trader tools. It's called the, I'm not sure if there are any classes online for free, but it's called the pre-trade checklist. Okay? For you, not to everybody speculates. Yes, we are all the same. In the beginning, everybody speculates. Okay, before you learn how to understand yourself, that you are speculating that the market is going to go down, you are not trading from what you are seeing. Okay, one of the institutional trader tool is the pre-trade checklist. But for you to build your pre-trade checklist, you must have a strategy. Does this make sense, everybody? Boss, what is a pre-trade checklist? A pre-trade checklist is a set of rules on how you are going to enter from your strategy. Oh, thanks God. Date says yes, it does. It makes sense. So if in your strategy says, if you have a rule in your strategy that, oh, before I enter the market, I need to see a confirmed trend, can you short GBP USD 4-hour chart from your strategy? Yes or no? Boss, how much is the advanced course? It's personal, everybody. Depends where you live. Okay, it depends where you live, but please don't get scared. Okay, USA, Canada, Australia, this is the fast track. Okay, don't get scared. If you are from Thailand, Philippines, you have a different cost. This is not mandatory. This is just if you want to learn fast. Okay? It's 1 year. 1 year, you get the Forex course for 1 year. You get all the extra courses for free. Total value it's $20,000. You get for free. And also the crypto course in between. Okay, you have a Darwinex Zero account for 1 year for free, where you can get funded with real capital for you to train. Okay, and I trade with you for 1 year for free. You see me trading live, you see what I do, the good, the bad, the ugly. Alright? Boss, this, it's a lot of money, I agree, but it's for 1 year, don't remember, okay? It's for 1 year. All of this is for free for 1 year, 12 months. And again, this is not mandatory, this is just the fast track. If you want to learn quickly, you know, shorten the learning curve. Otherwise, send me an email, okay? Tell me who you are, what country you live on, so we can talk. It's personal, you know, it depends how many hours do you want. It depends if I have time, when you have time. Fair enough? Alright everybody, any other pairs you want to check? Javan says no, I can't go short. Everybody, Javan, it's in the advanced institutional trader course. You can ask him if it's easy, if it's not easy. Javan was into the US dollar index course. Right now we are in the Fibonacci mastery course. 5th of October we have the how to build a system that makes money course. Yeah, I guarantee you, you can call me out, you have the recording. If you are going to build a system based on what I'm going to tell you, I guarantee you it's going to make money. How can you guarantee? Because we are using concepts and rules from the institutional business. Make sense? You are going to build a system like an institution, like Dukascopy Investment Bank, like JP Morgan Chase, like Citibank, you know? Everybody, it's nothing special, believe me, but it's all common sense. Don't expect voodoo magic or something, it's all common sense. But it's also knowledge, you know? How can we get in touch with Javan? Javan, would you be so kind and post your email, maybe? Or Skype? Everybody, what do you want, email or Skype? You can get in touch with Javan and the other traders. Now, if I, last question before we move forward, everybody. If I'm going to short the 15-minute downtrend, 2 questions. Question number 1, should my stop loss goes above this high or should my stop loss go above this high? This is question number 1. Is the stop loss number 1 the correct stop loss? Stop loss number 1 the correct stop loss, or is stop loss number 2 the correct one? And now I'm going to push some ears, because we've learned that the stop loss go on the... I'm not going to tell you. Everybody, question number 1. Should I put my... If I short the market, so I'm waiting for a retracement, counter trendline break that we've learned from the previous lessons, and I'm going to enter here, shorting the market, shorting the downtrend. Is the correct stop loss number 1 or stop loss number 2? Sam, I'm pushing your ears. Mo, I'm pushing your ears too. The correct stop loss is the stop loss number 1. Don't confuse the market wave with the short-term trend. Oh boss, please teach me if the what everybody it's common sense again. What is the level, what is the first level that if the market stops you out is going to violate the pattern? If the market stops you out on stop loss number 1 is going to violate the short-term downtrend? Or is the stop loss number 2 going to violate the short-term downtrend? Which one is the first stop that is going to violate the pattern? Stop loss number 1. Let me give you another drawing. So it's stop loss number 1 or is stop loss number 2? Stop loss number 1, applause to Sam. Very good, you got it. Don't confuse the market wave with the short-term trend. If the market stops you out on the stop loss number 1, you are not in a downtrend anymore. You are in an uptrend, aren't you? You are in an uptrend if the market breaks the stop loss number 1. Okay? Those are traders' mistakes, everybody. You must learn this stuff. It's all a learnable skill, common sense. Moses, very clear, thanks. You're welcome, we're here to learn. All good? Second question, if I'm going to enter this trade and put the stop loss on the stop loss number 1, should I risk less or should I risk more shorting the 15-minute chart on GBP USD? Is this a high quality trade to short the market or is this a risky trade? And again, you are going to learn in the advanced course that not every setup is the same. Not every setup has the same probability. And again, it's all going to be common sense, all pure logic, nothing special. Oh boss, I have a lot to learn. I see I have a lot to learn. Yes you do. Yes you do. Forex course 101, it's one book, everybody. Forex course 202, it's totally another book. One has nothing to do with the other. It's a risky trade. Date, congratulations to you. Applause to Date. Why is that? I'm the student. Date, we are the students. Date, you are the teacher. Teacher Date, why is this a risky trade? What's the logic behind? Is anybody in here who does not agree with teacher Date? Is anybody in here who is thinking that... And everybody, don't be shy, we're here to learn, alright? We're here to talk. My job is to bring common sense to you. Okay? My job is to bring clarity about the market. So if you think that, oh, this is a high probability trade, just type in the chat, don't be shy. We are here to learn. Thank you very much. Again, applause to Date. Because it's in a retracement. No, it's not. Teacher Date didn't tell the whole story. I'm going to short the 15-minute chart. I have the pattern, all good. Stop loss in the correct place. It's all good. But because this 15-minute chart goes against the 4-hour chart, who is stronger? What chart is stronger? Is the 4-hour chart controlling the 15-minute chart or is the 15-minute chart controlling the 4-hour chart? Is the father controlling the kid or is the kid telling the father what to do? Forget about Douglas. Oh, in Douglas' family the kids are telling him what to do. Douglas is special, right? Forget about Douglas. Douglas is special. In his family, the kids are telling him what to do, but That's another story. Sam says less risk, it's a risky trade because it's against the market wave on the hard time frame. Applause to Sam too. See everybody, is this that difficult to trade? Is this, if you would demo trade on a demo account as an analyst, is this that difficult to understand? Can you do this? Can you think like this? Can you take in consideration those variables about risk when you check your trading time frame comparing with the hard time frame? Can you think in terms of those variables? Yesterday we had a great lesson about bulls and bear points. Can you do this, everybody? It's a learnable skill. Moses, he is right, 4-hour pattern is not complete. 4-hour is stronger. The 4-hour chart is stronger, says Javan. Everybody, can you think like this? We have 5 more minutes. Any other currency pairs everybody want to check before we go on the weekend and work hard during the weekend? Professional traders, we work during the weekend. We have no Saturday, no Sunday, but we do have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Ask Javan if it is not true. Everybody who wants to be a millionaire, when everybody is going to be at the beach and having fun, drinking beer and wine and coke, and playing soccer and volleyball or skiing, you, the professional trader, you're going to work, you're going to prepare for the week. You're going to prepare, you're going to produce the what is called the weekly plan. And then Monday comes, everybody goes to the job. Not judging anybody, it's simply a different lifestyle. We need doctors, lawyers, movie stars. We need a baker, right? It's a different lifestyle. So on Monday, your friends are going to work at the job. If they like, it's okay. If they don't like, it's a different story. And you are walking the dogs, make sense? 11 a.m. you're walking the dogs. 2 p.m. you're walking the dogs. Tuesday, 10 a.m. you're walking the dogs. Professional trader's life. Yeah, true, if you're a scalper, it's a different story. Swing traders, professional trader. Why? Because everything is pre-planned. Again, you are going to learn more about this in the advanced course, the Advanced Institutional Trader course. Vinicius, and do nothing. Well, not true. If there is an alarm or an entry, I don't know. Everybody, I'm joking, but believe me, Javan is going to confirm to you, it's not easy. You know, you think that working on Saturday and Sunday, it's easy. It's not. Especially if you have a job. You work hard at the job already from Monday to Friday, and now you're going to think, oh my gosh, I need to work on Saturday and Sunday too. Well, yeah, if you want to one day quit the job and be free, you know, no, you don't need to be rich. But if you are skilled enough, then you got the number one everybody change in your life. It's going to be freedom. Okay, let's say that you can make what, $300 or euros per week, okay? Or let's say, not to exaggerate, let's say that you can make 500 or 700 euros or dollars per month, whatever. Just an example. And you can do this consistently. You are free. You can go to Alaska and trade from Alaska. You can go to Croatia, trade from Croatia, Dubrovnik. You can go to Brazil. You can go to Japan or Finland and make money. Freedom is number one when you get this job, this profession correctly. Denise is saying, yeah, when we're a retail trader, we work more than we think we start. It's all about the choice, everybody. Makes sense? Let me show you a slide from the institutional course. And I'm not sure if I have it in here. Give me a second. Do we have it? Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, I'm sure. I have. Oh, very good. You becoming an independent professional trader who is consistently profitable comes down to two basic questions. How bad do you want it? And number two, how coachable you are. Are you coachable enough to submit yourself to someone who has a proven track record and not to fight? Why? Because 90% of world population is not stupid. Makes sense? Trading, it's a formula, not a fantasy. But not everyone is coachable enough to submit himself or herself to the formula. We always say we want things, but sometimes wanting is not enough. Are you ready to pay the price? Sometimes the price comes in terms of investing time to study and question and ponder. Sometimes the price comes in terms of being coachable and listening and lowering our head. Me too, back in time, I was stubborn. My ego was inflated. I fought with my mentors. Sometimes the price comes in terms of dedication. Saturday, Sunday, and perseverance. Oh, I'm 6 months in the course, I'm not making it. I'm 1 year in the course, I'm not making it. I'm 5 years in the course, I'm not making it. Are you ready to pay the price? What does the picture say? Quote of the day, it's not what you say that is going to determine your future. It's what you do. This is how we start the Advanced Institutional Trader program, everybody. Vinicius says strategy. Vinicius, if you are 5 years or more, everybody, not just Vinicius, everybody, please come to the advanced course. Okay. Again, this one. If you want consistent results, learn the mindset and the heartset of the professional, ask for the Forex course 202. Okay. If you've been around the block 2, 3 years, 4 years, if you have a strategy and it doesn't work, pat yourself on the back, it's not your fault. Why? Because you're not stupid, right? But yeah, you are lacking some specific knowledge. Okay, everybody? All the questions, once you've learned Forex Course 101, it's all about the market, all the questions are answered in the Forex Course 202. I guarantee you, you can call me out. You have the recording. Oh, you promised to answer all my questions. I do. All the secrets, how to make money. Okay? This business, talking about strategy, this business, retail traders, hear me out. This business is not what you think it is, I promise you. Vinicius is saying, I trade very different way, I focus on preserve capital, I do the Dukascopy contest, very good. It's all good, everybody. Make sense? Never forget, trading is a learnable skill. That being said, happy weekend, see you back on Monday. Okay? Until Monday, stay strong, work like a boss during the weekend because you are the boss of your account. This is